After getting multiple renders and live images of the upcoming Pixel 8 lineup, now its entire spec sheet has been leaked. Google is expected to announce its Pixel 8 and 8 Pro smartphones later this year as upgrades over the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. While the company has largely been tight-lipped about the upcoming devices, a slew of leaks over the past several weeks have revealed a lot about them, including their camera hardware. We've also seen leaked live images of the Pixel 8 Pro recently, while details about the all-important Tensor G3 chip were leaked in all their glory last month. Now, Tipster has posted the full spec sheet of the Pixel 8 Pro, revealing new details and seemingly confirming old rumors. According to a tweet from prolific tipster Yogesh Brar, the Pixel 8 Pro will feature a 6.7-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The device will be powered by the Google Tensor G3 and will have a Titan security chip in Tau. The tweet further suggests that the phone could be launched in two configurations, both with 12 gigs of RAM. While the base model is set to ship with just 128 gigs of storage, the more premium option will likely offer 256 gigs. Imaging options on the Pixel 8 Pro are set to include a 50 megapixels primary camera with optical image stabilization, a 64 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 48 megapixels telephoto shooter. On the front, the device is expected to have an 11 megapixels image sensor for selfies and video chats. The device is said to sport a 4950 mAh battery with 27 watts wired charging support and run Android 14 out of the box. The tweet also seems to confirm earlier rumors that the phone will feature a temperature sensor. It is also said to come with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Last week, Brar also claimed to have revealed the full specs and pricing of the vanilla Pixel 8. If the leaks and rumors hold up, the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will be interesting devices and can offer the likes of Samsung and OnePlus a run for their money. What might be the interesting thing about the Pixel 8 Pro is the possible inclusion of a temperature sensor, which has been rumored earlier too. This is likely to be placed under the LED flash and can help people monitor their body temperature by keeping it close to the forehead. An ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is also tipped. The price could be hiked by around $100 this time, so if you are planning to upgrade to the 2023 Pixels, you might want to be prepared. As for the design, we expect something similar to the Pixel 7 series with minor tweaks like rounded corners. These details are just rumors and Google hasn't given any official word yet. But if we're looking at an October launch, we can expect some details to start appearing soon. We won't forget to keep you in the loop, so stay tuned to the channel, and do share your thoughts about the upcoming Pixel 8 series in the comments below. See you for the next time. Peace out.